This is the Irontrader, and this is Midday Trading. Today, we're going to take a look here at a couple delivery companies, UPS and FedEx. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have UPS, your daily, your weekly, and your monthly chart. Now, they're in negotiations for contracts, so obviously they have to get everything done by August 1st. Now, they walked out this weekend here, and because they just could not negotiate it. They want better pay, more benefits, the whole 9 yards. So I don't know what anybody else thinks, but making $100,000 a year to drop off a package at a door doesn't sound really all that bad. But hey, we don't care about that. We got to figure out how we're going to make some money off of this. All right. So what we want to look at here is we want to look at the top of this candle here. Okay. So you're sitting at 180.27. Okay, so that is going to be your key level that we need to close above. See how so far you have a topping tail. Now, if you can get above, then we look to this 184.16. Now, what I want to point out to you here is, see, there's your gap, which is basically the top of this candle here now, and then here would be your fill all the way up here at the low of 194.73. That would be your gap right there, and then here is your fill. Okay. So that would be your big target if they get this all settled out, if, the contract-wise or not. So after you hit your target there, now always look to the left of your chart here where you can just go and see way, way higher. Okay, so you're looking at 207.65 here. You're looking at 209.30. Then we go to the next level here. You're looking at 223.97, and then your big retest here, 233.72. Okay. That there is your big target. Now, on the downside, see how nice this is holding. Okay, you had a low, higher low, and now a series of nice higher lows here. See how it's holding this 200 SMA here? See, we're sitting at 167.28. Very, very nice. Okay, so what we want to do here is on the downside, first of all, we'll always look at your 200 SMA. Okay, then we look at your 8 SMA here, 176.44. We look at 174.27. And then we want to always look at your 50 SMA here, 173.60 here. Now, on your weekly chart here, okay, on your upside, everything is kind of pinned right here. So you have your 21-day at 180.40. You have your 50 SMA here, 180.86. So that there, it needs to close above. You see how it went above, but it needs to close above that for a chance to go higher. Now, here on the monthly chart here, you always want to watch your 8 SMA, 180.21, and then next level will be 187.37. That is going to be your target there on the upside. On the bottom, always watch your key 50 SMA, which is holding very, very nicely at 164.04. So watch this key candle right here, okay, 180.27, close above. This is your target, 184.16. If you can get above, then always look at this gap fill here because that's going to be your big target. Look at the low of that. That's 194.73. All right, let's take a look here now at the old FedEx. Okay, FedEx is looking very, very nice. Now, if UPS does go on strike, the beneficiary of that is going to be FedEx, and they will get more market share, which is always a good thing. So when you look at this daily, see the higher lows? Always very, very good. Okay, so now basically what you want to do, the breakout level here is going to be 250.37. That's going to be your key breakout level. Then if you can get above this here, then we just keep on going up to your next stages here. So you want to look at the top of this candle here. Okay, so basically you're looking at 256.49. Then we looked at this candle right here. Okay, you're looking at 266.79, and then all the way on up. So here on your monthly chart, very, very easy to see your big target here, 266.79, which is basically right there. And then what you do is you just keep on going to the left of your candles here, okay? So you got 282.88. We have 302.65, and then your big target here is going to be 319.90. Now, what you want to do here on your support levels is watch this key 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 244.55. You need to hold that, okay? If that's lost, then you have your 21 here at 233.99, and then your 50-day at 299.30, and then you have your 100 all the way down here at 222.61, and then you have a nice retest there at 218.55. But right now, this is looking pretty good. See, On the way down, you put a series of lower highs. Now you got a series of higher lows. That's always very, very bullish. That's a very, very good sign here. So we just got to see if it can get above this key candle right here. If it does, then she rockets higher. All right. Thanks for watching.